Got a homemade barbecue smoker trailer. Made right in Florida. It's got its own smoker box on it. I'm surprised that's not rotted out. All the rest of it's started rotting out real bad. You cook hamburgers on top of here. It gets real nice and hot. Over the years it rusted out, now it's ruined. It needs rebuilt. See the holes down in there? This was made right in Florida in Pinellas Park. Look at that hole. I don't want to scratch the camcorder. It was really good while it worked. Somebody made it. Somebody did a good job making it, just rusted. It's got those heavy hinges. I didn't like this part of it. Look at this. Straight welded to the axle. How did they do that? They welded the axle right to the frame. It's not even no suspension at all. Zero suspension. When you pull it, it jumps. It jumps up and down. Why wouldn't they try to put leaf springs in it? It's got little 12-inch tires. They actually bounce off the ground. It's really hard to pull it. I can't believe how rusty it got. Look up in here, maybe we can see it better. The hole. See the hole in there? Oh yeah, right there's the hole. It's horrible. It got really, really bad. It was starting to rust when I got it, and it got a lot worse. That's probably why they sold it. I like that firebox. It works really good. You can get this thing really hot. Made in Pinellas Park, Florida, USA. No China here.